Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the headset has at least 20% battery and is in pairing mode. This prevents mid-setup dropouts. On your laptop, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and turn Bluetooth on so the adapter can scan. Once done, remove or disconnect other nearby paired devices to reduce interference and speed discovery. Make sure airplane mode is off and the headset remains visible. These steps let your laptop find the hands-free device quickly and reliably. Next, locate your headset in the Scan Devices list and click Pair. You may need to confirm a code or accept a prompt. After pairing, open Sound Settings and choose the headset as both output and input so audio and mic route to the hands-free unit. If the device offers profiles, select the hands-free profile, HFP or HSB for two-way audio. The high-quality audio profile is a 2DP, but it may disable the mic. Adjust volume and test with a quick recording to verify. Finally, test the hands-free setup in a call or voice recorder to confirm clear sound and mic pickup. Make small volume and mic gain tweaks as needed. If the mic isn't working, switch between profiles or update your Bluetooth drivers and ensure the laptop's privacy settings allow microphone access. If audio cuts out, restart the Bluetooth service, turn the headset off and on, and repair. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall or update Bluetooth drivers if intermittent issues persist, as driver bugs often cause drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.